8,000 firefighters have been working around the clock battling these fires in the Los Angeles area. I mean, this doesn't even look real, the catastrophic scenes. Here with us now is David Acuña, Public Information Officer for CalFire. Sir, welcome to the show. Thank you for making time for us.
Thank you for having me on.
Of course. I know it's busy. I'm just going to dive right in. 8,000 firefighters working around the clock. Talk to us about the morale of your firefighters. How are they doing? Some of them likely fighting to save their own homes and their own neighborhoods.
We are working with firefighters from all over Southern California, the state of California, as well as 7 other states. So this is really a joint effort from the entire region of the west part of the United States.
We're hearing that the winds have died down today. Hopefully that offers a bit reprieve. But how will that help fight back these blazes that we're seeing? We hear some are only 8 to 10% contained.
Well, it's a good thing and a bad thing. So it's a good thing because this means that we can get our aircraft up and running and flying over the fires. However, the bad part is that now that the winds from the east have stopped, the winds from the west have now picked up. We had some expansion of the Palisades fire to the north and the east, specifically because the wind shifted. And with another wind shift headed back from the east direction to the west, expected sometime early this coming week, that's a dangerous situation.
Can you talk to us about air support in fires like these? I've seen helicopters make 5 or 6 drops within a matter of minutes. How important are these drops?
Oh, they're critical because what it does is it allows the heat to get slowed down and allows the crews to get closer. When they're this close to the ocean, they're able just to pick up water and drop it on there, luckily for a water source.
Let's talk about water. We know it's an issue. There's not enough of it. LA's mayor saying the city's fire hydrants were not built to respond to this kind of emergency. I have to ask what your thoughts are on that.
Well, I mean, it's physics. You know, you have even a 1 million-gallon water tank or multiple 1 million-gallon water tanks are not going to be sufficient. You picture your home garden hose. If you have 2 or 3 pinholes, like you would if 2 or 3 structure fires were going on, that's one thing. But if you have 5,000 or 6,000 pinholes on your garden hose, it simply won't be able to maintain pressure.
That analogy actually makes a lot of sense, and I'm sure explains it to our viewers as well. Thank you for that. Los Angeles cut more than $17 million from the fire department budget months before these fires. Are firefighters getting the resources they urgently need right now?
You know, I'm not familiar with the Los Angeles city budget. What I can tell you is CalFire has increased our budget this year, specifically because of the threat of this wildfire, the long-term nature of us becoming a fire year. We don't even have a season anymore. Is such a challenge.
You mentioned the help you're getting from firefighters from Southern California. How crucial is all hands on deck right now?
Oh, it's everything. In fact, in California, we have a master mutual aid system that is always in place, whether it's for a multi-vehicle accident or for a large structure fire. But in the case of a large destructive wildfire, everyone is able to send. And keep in mind, all of the fire departments that are represented on the wildfire are still responding to medical aids, motor vehicle accidents, their own structure fires, their own rescues in their jurisdictions. So everyone's very busy.
We know that a lot of people, a lot of residents, they want to go back home. They want to survey the damage. Is there a message you have to those people?
Well, I think I couldn't say any better than Dr. Hill. You know, there is a significant risk of not only inhalation, because all of this ash is all over the place. But remember that when houses burn up, they are burning primarily plastic and petroleum products. So as that dust gets kicked up, all of that plastic and petroleum products, no matter how good the mask is getting in your lungs, as well as on your skin, in your eyes, all of these dangers. And so this is something that needs to be mitigated. Plus, the electrical lines have not necessarily been secured. So electric shock from a power line is very much a danger.
David Acuña, I'm thinking of you and your firefighters. I keep hearing repeatedly what an incredible job firefighters are doing in this area. Thank you for everything you're doing. Stay safe, sir. We appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.